Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Every New Year, ang daming New Year's resolution, di ba? So, ang daming pangako. Diet, savings, gym, pagbabago. Pero bakit parang ang dali lang mangako pero ang hirap to pa rin? In this video, we'll break down the common mistakes sa mga New Year's resolutions. Paano maging realistic at paano mo talaga magagawa without the hype. Alam mo yung classic line na New Year na. This year, magbabago na ako. Pero after a month, balik ulit sa dati. Bakit? Kasi madalas, resolutions natin sobrang taas na expectations. Parang gusto mong maging superhero overnight. Ang ending, burnout at guilt. Biggest mistake number 1, masyadong vague. Sasabihin mo, gusto ko maging healthy. Pero paano? Kung walang specific plan, parang drawing lang yan. Mistake number 2, masyadong maraming promises. Para siyang buffet. Lahat gusto mong tikman, pero wala kang natapos. Mistake number 3, puro salita, kulang sa gawa. Ang daming announcements sa social media, pero behind the scenes, wala namang actions. So, paano ba maging realistic? Una, kilalanin mo sarili mo. Kung hindi ka morning person, huwag mong pilitin mag-jogging ng 5 a.m. Adjust resolutions to your lifestyle. Second, start small. Hindi kailangan grand. Kung gusto mong mag-ipon, start with 50 pesos a day. Third, accountability. Keep your word. Kung sinabi mong gagawin mo kahit walang audience. Ang mindset dapat, less talk, more work. Hindi mo kailangan ng applause, kailangan mo progress. At tandaan, hindi competition ng resolutions. Hindi mo kailangan magpakitang gilas. The goal is to be true to yourself. Ito, practical tips. Number 1, write it down. Mas malinaw pag nakasulat. 2, break it into steps. Hindi mo kailangan matapos kaagad. 3, track progress. Kahit maliit, celebrate. 4, huwag mong gawing secret. Share with someone para may accountability. At the end of the day, resolutions are not about perfection. It's about consistency. Kahit maliit, basta tuloy-tuloy, mas may impact kaysa biglang bongga tapos wala na. Resolutions are promises to yourself. At kung hindi mo kayang tuparin ang pangako mo sa sarili mo, paano ka magtitiwala sa sarili mo? Hindi ito tungkol sa ibang tao, kundi sa integrity mo. Ang tunay na pagbabago, hindi loud, hindi flashy. Tahimik, pero totoo. Ang tanong, mas pipiliin mo bang maging consistent kahit walang nakakita? O magpanggap lang para sa likes?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.